Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel RD Films. Today I have made my new video on the basis of multiplication table from 2 to 10. I have specially made this video for the junior standard students because some of them may get some problem to earn the multiplication table. So I have made this difficulty in an easier way to learn it. It is a very simple and easy way to learn the multiplication table. So watch the video till the end without skipping any part of it. So let's begin it. So on the first table you can see that it is a multiplication table of 2. So for some students they may get some time or may get some difficulty to learn the multiplication table of 2. So I have made it very easy. For that you have to just remember the multiplication table of 2 for the whole number. You have to first learn 2 into 1 is equal to 2 and 2 into 2 is equal to 4. You have to just remember only this 2 and just this 4. With the help of only these two number you can do the whole the whole multiplication table in a very easy way. So first we all know that 2 into 1 is equal to 2 and 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So to get the number of 2 into 3, how much it will be? It will be 6, but everybody know that it will be 6, but how it came 6? For that some students may get some problem or they can do the plus, but it will take some time also. But to do the multiplication table in a fast way, without doing any difficulty, you have to just see my video. For taking the 2 into 3, the answer is 6, but how it came 6? For that you have to just do the plus, you have to just add 4 plus say plus 2, so the answer will be 6. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now came to 2 into 4. For taking the answer of 2 into 4, you have to just do the plus of 6 plus 2. Now you don't have to do the plus of 6 plus 4 because the answer will not come in here. So you have to just add 6 plus 2 and the answer will come as 8. So the next one is 2 into 5. For taking the answer of 2 into 5, you have to just do the same process. You have to just add 8 plus 2, or you can add 2 plus 8. Both are same. So the answer will come as 10. Now next go to 2 into 6. The answer will be 12. But how it came? For that you have to just add 10 plus 2 or 2 plus 10. The answer will come as 12. Now next we have 2 into 7 is equal to 14. For this you have to just add 12 plus 2. The answer will come as 14. Now the next one is 2 into 8. For taking the answer of this, you have to just add 14 plus 2. The answer will be as 16. So next one is 2 into 9 is equal to 18. For this you have to just add 16 plus 2. The answer will be as 18. And the last one is 2 into 10 is equal to 20. I think you may guess this 2 into 10 is equal to 20. It is very easy, but you may ask me below the comment that how it came 2 into 20. So for this also you may add 18 plus 2 and the answer will become as 20. I am going the next multiplication table of 3, so please don't skip the video. So now I have came to the multiplication table of 3. So you have to just remember 3 into 1 and 3 into 2. For 3 into 1 is equal to 3 and 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now we will go to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. For this you have to just add now 6 plus 3. You will get the answer as 9. Now the next one is 3 into 4 is equal to 12. But for take out the answer of 12, you have to just add now 9 plus 3, not 9 plus 6, because you can add only 6 plus 3 to get the number of this third layer, only for this third layer. But for taking the answer of 12, for 3 into 4, you have to just add now 9 plus 3. The answer will be as 12. Now we will go to the next part, that is 3 into 5 is equal to 15. For this you have to just add 12 plus 3, the answer will come as 15. Now the next one is 3 into 6 is equal to 18. For this you have to just add 15 plus 3, the answer will come as 18. Now the next one is 3 into 7 is equal to 21. But how it came 21? For this you have to just add 18 plus 3, the answer will be as 21. Now the next one is 3 into 8 is equal to 24. For this also the same process is 21 plus 3, the answer will be as 24. Now the next one is 3 into 9, the answer is 27. For this you have to just add 24 plus 3, the answer will be as 27. Now the next one is 3 into 10 is equal to 30. This is also very easy, but you may ask me the reason also for this. So the answer of this is 27 plus 3, the answer will be as 30. Now I am going to the next multiplication table, which is of 4. So please don't skip the video. So now I have came to the multiplication table of 4. So you have to just remember 4 into 1 is equal to 4 and 4 into 2 is equal to 8. With the help of only these two numbers, you may do the whole multiplication table in a fast and in a easy manner. So 4 into 1 4 and 4 into 2 8, we get this. But for 4 into 3 is equal to 12. For this 12 you have to add 8 plus 4 and the answer will be as 12. The next one is 4 into 4. I think you may get some confusion on this 4 into 4 because this and this 4 are same. But please don't worry for this, because for this also the same process is you have to just add 12 plus 4, the answer will be as 16. Some students may get some problem during this two only, during the same numbers, but with the help of this 4 into 3 and 4 into 4, you may take out this answer in a very easy way. Now the next one is 4 into 5 is equal to 20. For this you have to add just 16 plus 4, the answer will be as 20. Now we will go to 4 into 6 is equal to 24. For this you have to add just 20 plus 4, the answer will be as 24. Now the next one is 4 into 7 is equal to 28. For this you have to just add 24 plus 4, the answer will be as 28. Now we will go to the 4 into 8 is equal to 32. For this you have to just add 28 plus 4, the answer will be as 32. The next one is 24 into 9 is equal to 36. For this you have to add 32 plus 4, the answer will be as 36. Now the next one is 4 into 10 is equal to 40. For this also you can do the plus, you can add 36 plus 4. We will easily get the answer as 40. And now I am going to the multiplication table of 5. So please do not skip the video. So now I have came to the multiplication table of 5. So in here you have to just remember 5 into 1 is equal to 5 and 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Maximum of the students get easy to learn the multiplication table of 5 because it is the most easiest table up to from 2 to 10. Now you have to just remember 5 into 1 is equal to 5 and 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Now to take out the answer of 5 into 3, you have to just add 10 plus 5, the answer will be as 15. Now the next one is 5 into 4. For take out the answer of this, you have to just add 15 plus 5, the answer will be as 20. Now the next one is 5 into 5. I think you may get this one also some little bit of problem, but you have to just add 20 plus 5, the answer will be as 25. I have tell that because you may get in these two number because they are same. Now the next one is 5 into 6 is equal to 30. For take out the answer of 30, you have to just add 25 plus 5, the answer will be as 30. Now the next one is 5 into 7 is equal to 35. For this you have to just add 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. Now the next one is 5 into 8 is equal to 40. For take out the answer of 40, you have to just add 35 plus 5. Now the next one is 5 into 9 is equal to 45. For this you have to add 40 plus 5, the answer will be as 45. Now the next one is 5 into 10 is equal to 50. For this you have to just add 45 plus 5. Now I am going to the multiplication table of 6, so please don't skip the video. So now I have came to the multiplication table of 6. For this you have to just remember 6 into 1 and 6 into 2. 6 into 1 is equal to 6 and 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So the next one is 6 into 3. For this you have to add 18 plus 6. The answer will be, you have to just add 12 plus 6. The answer will be as 18. Now the next one is 6 into 4. The answer is 24. But how it came? You have to just add 18 plus 6. The answer will be as 24. Now the next one is 6 into 5 is equal to 30. For this you have to add 24 plus 6. Now the next one is 6 into 6. For taking the answer of 36 you have to just add 30 plus 6. The answer will be as 36. Now the next one is 6 into 7 is equal to 42. For this you have to just add 36 plus 6. The answer will be as 42. Now the next one is 6 into 8. For taking the answer of 48 you have to just add 42 plus 6. We will get the answer as 48. Now the next one is 6 into 9 is equal to 54. For this you have to just add 48 plus 6. The answer will be as 54. And the last one is 6 into 10 is equal to 30. For this you have to just add 54 plus 6 and you will get the answer as 60. Now I am going to the multiplication table of 7, so please do not skip the video. Now I have came to the multiplication table of 7. For this you have to just learn 7 into 1 and 7 into 2. So 7 into 1 we can remember it is as 7, and 7 into 2 is equal to 14. So the next one is 7 into 3. For taking the answer of 21 you have to just add 14 plus 7. The answer will be as 21. Now the next one is 7 into 4. For taking the answer of 28 you have to just add 21 plus 7 is equal to 28. So the next one is 7 into 5. For taking the answer of this you have to just add 28 plus 7. The answer will be 35. Now the next one is 7 into 6 is equal to 42. For this you have to add 35 plus 7. Now the next one is 7 into 7 is equal to 49. For the takeouting of answer of this you have to just add 42 plus 7. The answer will be as 49. Now the next one is 7 into 8 is equal to 56. For this you have to add 49 plus 7. The answer will be 56. Now the next one is 7 into 9 is equal to 63. For this you have to just add 56 plus 7. The answer will be 63. And the last one is 7 into 10 is equal to 70. For this you have to just add 63 plus 7. The answer will be 70. Now I am going to the multiplication table of 8. So please do not skip the video. So now I have came to the multiplication table of 8. For this you have to just remember 8 into 1 is equal to 8 and 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So taking the answer of 8 into 3 you have to just add 16 plus 8. The answer will be as 24. Now the next one is 8 into 4. You have to just add 24 plus 8 and the answer will be as 32. Now the next one is 8 into 5. For taking the answer of this you have to just add 32 plus 8. The answer will be as 40. Now the next one is 8 into 6 is equal to 48. For this you have to just add 40 plus 8 and the answer will be 48. For this next one 8 into 7, the answer is 56. For this you have to just add 48 plus 8. Now the next one is 8 into 8. You may get here also some problem because it is going much larger the table. For this also, for taking the answer of 64 you have to just add 56 plus 8. The answer will be 64. Now the next one is 8 into 9. For taking the answer of this you have to just add 64 plus 8. The answer will be 72. And the last one is 8 into 10 is equal to 80. For this you have to add 72 plus 8. So I am going to the next table, which is of multiplication table of 9. So please do not skip the video. So now I have came to the multiplication table of 9. So we have to just remember 9 into 1 is equal to 9 and 9 into 2 is equal to 18. So we will go to the next table, which is 9, the next number, which is 9 into 3. You just add 18 plus 9, you will get the answer is 27. Now the next one is 9 into 4. For taking the answer of 36, you have to just add 27 plus 9. Now the next one is 9 into 5 is equal to 45. For taking the answer of this, you have to add 36 plus 9. The answer will be 45. Now the next one is 9 into 6. For taking the answer of this, you have to just add 45 plus 9. The answer will be 54. So now the next one is 9 into 7 is equal to 63. For this you have to add 54 plus 9. The answer will be 63. Now the next one is 9 into 8. For taking the answer of this, you have to just do the same again. You have to repeat the process. 63 plus 9. The answer will be 72. And the next one is 9 into 9 is equal to 81. For this you have to just add 72 plus 9, the answer will be 81. And the last one is 9 into 10 is equal to 90. And for this you have to just add 81 plus 9, the answer will be as 90. Now I am going to the last table, which is multiplication table of 10. So please do not skip the video. So now I have came to the last multiplication table, which is of multiplication table of 10. This is also very easy like the multiplication table of 5. For this you have to just remember 10 into 1 is equal to 20 and 10 into 2 is equal to 20. Like in here you may see like 2 into 10 same as 10 into 2 is equal to 20. So in here also 10 into 3 is equal to 30, like in the multiplication table 3 into 10 is equal to 30. Next one is 10 into 4 is equal to 40, like the multiplication table of 4 into 10 is equal to 40. And the next one is 10 into 5 is equal to 50. For this, like 5 into 10 is equal to 50. Now the next one is 10 into 6 is equal to 60. So in the multiplication table of 6 into 10 is equal to 60. Now the next one is 10 into 7 is equal to 70, and in here also 7 into 10 is equal to 70. Now the next one is 10 into 8 is equal to 80. In here also 8 into 10 is equal to 80, and 10 into 9 is equal to 90. In here also 9 into 10 is equal to 90, and the last one is 10 into 10 is equal to 100. For this you have to just, for 10 into 10 is equal to 100, for this you have to just add now 90 plus 10, the answer will be as 100. You can also add like 30 plus 10 is equal to 40, then 40 plus 10 is equal to 50, then 50 plus 10 is equal to 60, then 60 plus 10 is equal to 70, then 70 plus 10 is equal to 80, then 80 plus 10 is equal to 90, and 90 plus 10 is equal to 100. So today up to this much. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel on YouTube. Thank you and goodbye.